Alright, everyone, so this one's on altitudes. Altitudes here. Where are they? They are from the vertex to the opposite side and perpendicular. Perpendicular, remember, gives us a right angle. That is all the altitude gives us. So if we take a look here at this picture, A to E, all you have is it going from the vertex to the other side with a right angle. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the other two that we have here. So we have this here, and then, okay. So I have all of them drawn. As you'll see here, they all intersect at the same point, called the orthocenter. So this point of concurrency is called the orthocenter. In an acute triangle, it is inside the triangle. As you can see here, this is acute. Next, we have a right triangle. So if we go down here, I have a right triangle drawn. So A, B, C. Taking a look here, I know for sure it's a right triangle, but now we have to go ahead and draw the altitudes. So I'm going to go from A to C. So A to C, and I'm doing a dashed line so you can see that it's a separate line. That is an altitude. So AC is an altitude. Then I'm going to go from B to C. So here is I'm dropping this altitude. You get a right angle. So BC is also an altitude. Then I have to go from the vertex C. So I'm going to drop this to the other side to get our right angle. So I'm going to put an R here. So CR is an altitude. So all three of these are altitude. As we see here, they all intersect at the same point. Point C is the orthocenter. Okay, so this is a right triangle. All right, next we have an obtuse triangle. All right, so as you see here, this is a very large triangle that I have drawn here. So I'm going to zoom in real quick. So this purple thing here is the obtuse triangle. So triangle A, B, C, and let's put a D here. So taking a look here, because it's obtuse, there is no way to be able to draw an altitude from here to then get a right angle. It's not possible. So what we have to do is then draw them from the outside. As you'll see here, I drew from point A, from the vertex, I dropped it down. Then I went ahead and took this line BC and I just extended it. So you see the purple lines are just me extending the lines of the triangle. Just extending those lines. That's it. And then you'll see here we get the right angle. Now I kept these lines going nice and long. As you see here, I did again with C, dropped it down nice and long because they're all going to intersect. Now this is because I did not have a compass or special tools to make these perfect. So we're going to pretend those all hit the exact same point because they're supposed to. This here, let's say this is point F, is the orthocenter. Okay, it's going to intersect on the outside. All right, so let's go ahead and let's do some math here. So with an altitude, and I'm going to erase these here just so it's a little easier to see. Okay, so we know the point of concurrency is for right triangles on the angle, and right angles are formed. So that means this is 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. That's it. So let's say I gave you this here is 30 degrees. You would have to say, okay, 180 minus 90 minus 60, I'm sorry, minus 30 will equal 60 degrees. So that means this angle here is 60 degrees. Okay? Well, and that's it. So there's really nothing else too crazy about the altitudes. Just really degree angle. Thanks for watching.